made it to the final destination. Got the Mustang here. Oh, we just started and the party is almost over. The cops are here. Oh, got a female cop. Got all of them. Yo, we got burnouts going on here. Getting super rowdy. Oh, that was the clutch. Oh, I can smell that clutch. Oh, we got the cops. Oh no, party is over. Lady cop.
However, you just not do donuts and burnouts and stuff. Then the police get involved and then they have to shut this thing down. So if you guys cooperate with us, we'll cooperate with you. Sound fair? You guys can enjoy this little car meet. Just be respectful to us. Be respectful to law enforcement. We don't want to shut this down. Get everybody, all surrounding agencies here, and do everything like we always do. So if you guys play fair with us, we'll play fair with you. Sound good?
Yes.
I hope we don't have to come back here again. I want to be honest and transparent with you guys. I could care less. We have bigger crimes going on, but come on, guys. Just work with us, right? Sound good? So, enjoy your guys' meet. Just don't be doing this kind of stuff, right?
Now that is a good cop. Right there.
You can send your partner back.
And that's a fine cop. We're here at the famous 6th Street Bridge here in downtown LA. All the cars. Yep. And I see the SVJ. we are here for the Malibu Lobon for the midnight cruise. We got a couple of cool cars here. R8 McLaren, the Ferrari F8 Tributo, the 720S, the Ferrari 296 GTB, the new C8 Corvette. Well, not new anymore, but there you go. Listen to that turbo spool. Gallardo Spider.